Bilkis Bano's rapists to surrender. Supreme Court sets deadline for surrender. Supreme Court has said that by 21st January, rapists must surrender. Remember, the top court had scrapped the remission that was given to 11 convicts in the Bilkis Bano rape case earlier this month, and it had asked them to surrender within 2 weeks. Top court has refused to give further extension to these convicts. 3 of them had approached the court for relief. The top court has also said that there was no merit in the convicts' petition. I have my colleague Arvind Gunasekaran joining us on the phone line. Arvind, what has the court said today with regard to the petition that was filed by 3 of the convicts in the Bilkis Bano case?
Vasudha, today Supreme Court has dismissed the application that was filed by all the 11 convicts seeking more time to surrender in the Bilkis Bano case. Today Supreme Court has dismissed all the 11 applications, stating that all these 11 applications lack merit, and that's why Supreme Court has dismissed all the 11 applications. That means all the 11 convicts will have to surrender before the appropriate jail authorities by Sunday. That's by January 21st. All the 11 convicts will have to surrender. Some of the convicts had moved Supreme Court with applications seeking at least 4 to 6 weeks time to surrender, citing several personal reasons. Today, Supreme Court took all the applications one after another, and then after hearing the counsels for all the 11 convicts, today Supreme Court has dismissed all the 11 applications, saying that all the 11 applications lack merit, and that's why Supreme Court has dismissed it, thereby directing all the 11 convicts to surrender before the jail authorities by Sunday, that's by January 21st.
Arvind, what is it that the convicts had, pleaded, and also the court seems to have said that there is no merit in the convicts' petitions? I'm asking also because, when this order had come in from the Supreme Court of scrapping the remission, it was seen as the court setting a higher bar when it comes to remission in gruesome cases.
Yeah, in fact, Supreme Court had made it very clear that Gujarat government was not the competent government to order premature release of all the 11 convicts, and Supreme Court had made it very clear. Supreme Court had ruled that it was the state of Maharashtra that could have decided on the remission of all the 11 convicts, and the 11 convicts could not have been released by the Gujarat government. Keeping that aside, Supreme Court had also asked all the 11 convicts to surrender by January 21st. All the convicts had filed applications in the Supreme Court seeking more time to surrender. Some cited ill health, some also cited personal reasons, some cited that one of their family members is getting married, so they wanted more time. Some also sought about time for the cultivation, winter crop cultivation, etc. So today Supreme Court took all the applications one after another, and all the 11 applications have been dismissed by the Supreme Court, stating that all the 11 applications lack merit, and that's where all the applications have been dismissed, thereby directing all the 11 convicts to surrender before the jail authorities by Sunday, that's on January 21st.